Hello, welcome. I believe if you watch episode 19 on the percentages to VAT calculation, you should be able to provide answer to this question within a minute. This is episode 6 of the VAT calculation, even though I would say episode 6 of episode what 20, right? A school bag is sold at 594 Ghana cedis. How much is the VAT charge on the bag if the rate of VAT is what? 12.5. So you are looking for the VAT component of this. You know, this is rate percentage. So normally it is the VAT which is equals to the rate of percentage times the basic cost, the intended price of the article, in this case the school bag. So if I subtract the basic cost from the inclusive cost, I should be able to know the VAT component. So I'm just going to take the proportion component or percentage proportion to arrive at the answer. So from the question, I can see the rate is given as 12.5%, which can also be 12.5 divided by what? 100. So what next is given? School bag sold. Selling price is the VAT inclusive. So let me just say selling price, since they refer to the same thing. So selling price is equals to 594 Ghana cedis. This selling price is equivalent to, so you can see that, which is equivalent or corresponding, any of the word, equivalent to the increment in the percentage, which will be 100 plus the 12.5 or percent, which implies 112.5%. So this percentage is what giving rise to the 594. Then if I'm looking for the actual cost, which is the cost price, so I can see that the cost price is also equivalent, let me just use symbol form, the 100%. So this percentage comparison, we are looking for its corresponding value in terms of money. So I will only say that if we can have 112.5% giving us a value of 594 Ghana cedis, then we expect that 100%, which is corresponding to the cost price, will give us a value that will be less than the 594. So if value will be less, then more between the percentage divide. That means 100 divided by 112.5 now will multiply 594. That will give us the value that the article will have been marked with the cost price. Okay, so if we have 100 times this divided by 112.5, we should be having 528, 500, yeah, and 28, right? 528 Ghana cedis. So this price is showing the cost price of the article intended, that is the basic cost, VAT exclusive. So if I know VAT exclusive, I know VAT inclusive, which is selling price, I can say that therefore the VAT component or the VAT charge is going to be the VAT inclusive, which is going to be the selling price of the article minus the cost price, right? So that will be first number 594 minus 528. Let's do that arithmetic. That will be giving us 66%. All right. This is not the only way. If you want the episode number 19, we have another method through which we can arrive at this. But this is one of the two methods we talk about in episode 19. So I'm sticking to one of those method. You can try the other method if you so watch the episode 19 and see if that will also resonate with you, or this will be the one that you like. This is just applying the concept of percentage to the question. VAT calculation, finding a VAT charge when the basic cost is not given in the question, but each percentage has been given and the VAT inclusive has also been provided. Don't forget to share this with your friends. Somebody who you know might also need this. Let them subscribe and let's keep learning together.